I used this very same method to rank this article #1 on Google and outrank my competitors. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can do this yourself. So first thing that you want to do is enter in this Claude skill into Claude. If you want to get this skill, just comment SERP, SERP in the comments below and I'll send it over to you. So how this works is you first enter in a query of the topic or the keyword in which you would like to rank for. For this example, I wanted to rank for the keyword self-employed mortgage in Ontario. And what this Claude skill does, it first goes out and it does full SERP analysis of that specific keyword. So I went ahead and put in that I want to rank for the keyword self-employed mortgage in Ontario, and then it went out and it did a SERP pull. So it used some tools. It's going to use either Claude in Chrome if you have it connected. If not, it will use the Claude web search mode. So we see here it went out and it searched up the top ranked articles for that specific keyword. So mortgage options from RateShop, Nesto.ca, Cameron Mortgage, RateHub.ca, RBC Bank, Rates.ca, Wow.ca, so on and so forth. If I go back over to the SERP overview, I could see RateHub, Royal Bank, Nesto. These are all the same article, or sorry, the same websites that are ranking in the SERP. So it went ahead and found the same websites, right? So it found some search results. It then analyzed the top 5 URLs. So we got the top results, now fetching and reading each of the top 5 articles for deep analysis. So it went through each article, read through the full article, analyzed it, read through the second article, so on and so forth until the 5th article. So once all 5 articles were analyzed, it then was able to pull my sitemap, my brand voice from WordRocket so that it knows exactly how to write within my specific niche. Now, the thing that's really important about this method is that it not only just pulls the information, it does a complete SERP analysis, builds a brief, as you can see here, and then it sends that complete brief over to WordRocket. So we can see here, it's went ahead and done the analysis of the top 5 articles. We have the title to beat / model. So these are the meta title and meta descriptions that we need to beat, shared keywords in top 5. And then we have a full brief here, right? So it tells us what we need to do. It tells us exactly what our competitors have done and the content gap analysis of what we need to write about if we want to outrank our competitors. And once the analysis is completed, it then fires the article over to WordRocket with the full SERP informed brief. Right, so as we can see here, it's generated the article. It's waited a few minutes until the images were completed, and then it's going to post this article directly over to my WordPress site. So again, if you want to get access to this SOP, just comment SERP in the comments below and I'll send it over to you guys. So I just want to head over to WordRocket and we want to actually see if this article has been generated. And here we see the article self-employed mortgage in Ontario has been generated. So I'm gonna just click into this article, right? So we see here self-employed mortgage in Ontario 2026 complete guide and qualifying rates and lenders. Beautiful image here. We get geo optimization. We got our key takeaways, right? We got our table of contents and our images are still generating. So give it a couple of seconds here. What we see that the full article has been generated not based upon what we think, but based upon the information that Claude was able to pull from a SERP analysis. We also get a custom interactive self-employed mortgage qualifier, which looks really, really good. So we can actually go ahead and see what that looks like. So again, full article that we're able to get back here. Our geo score was pretty high, 75 out of 100. So if you wanted to view what this looks like, this HTML, we can pop it into an HTML viewer. And as you can see here, it's an Ontario self-employed mortgage qualifier. So you enter in your income, and then your second year income, your down payment, and then you can calculate your qualifying amount. You can see what you would qualify for based upon your net income for year 1 and year 2. So pretty cool, huh? Like this actually is very, very neat. I like it, and you can change it based upon your specific market. So I really like this, and this is all one-shot generated in our Claude SEO skill using WordRocket. So as you can see, using this method, you're able to do in-depth custom SERP analysis based upon a specific keyword that's real, live, and up to date. Then you can use that information to send it over to WordRocket to write your article in a way that is customizable for your brand, SEO optimized, has custom images, web mode, geo optimization included as well, with internal links, all in one place. So you combine powerful research with a powerful writing tool, and you get a powerful article that will rank on Google. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by giving us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.